This is the 2x2. It's easier than the 3x3, but if you're new to it, it might be a little bit difficult to figure out at first. So I'll give you a quick little tutorial here to get you on the right track. Alright, let's get scrambled. This tutorial hinges on the fact that you know how to solve a 3x3 using the beginner method. I recommend watching my video about it. It's this one. So starting off, like you do with most 3x3 tutorials, you start with the white side. It doesn't matter what side, but for consistency's sake, let's start with the white side. Now I like to build around the sticker, whatever sticker you have. Okay. What's important to know about this puzzle specifically is that when you look at it, it's just the corners on a 3x3. It's actually just a 3x3, but the edges are on the inside. So let's say you're trying to work around this sticker with the white side. So you gotta find a piece that's either orange and white or blue and white with another color. Up here on the top row, we have orange and white. So we put it over the orange and white spot. Do your right U, R prime, U prime, and have it inserted. Then you find a piece with blue on it. Up, right U, R prime, U prime, right, R, U, R prime, U prime. Now you might run into a case where they're both already in the bottom. You just treat this like the 3x3 case where you take it out, put it back in, and do that. Now the most difficult part comes here at the top. I will be teaching you like the beginner method, so you might have it where all the pieces are in the right spot, but most of the time you're not going to have that. Okay, the first case you could have is this case where two are solved and two aren't. So what do you do here? Well, what you do is you try to find a way to make only one piece solved. So in this case, you can just move this here. It's in the right place with the green and the red. Green and red, green and red. Put that in the front right, and just do the algorithm that you would do for the corners on a 3x3. That's your U, R, U prime, L prime. U, R prime, U prime, L. Now what you'll do is you'll have them all in the right spot. Now another case you might run into is the case where you have two diagonals that are solved. No matter which way you put it, two diagonals are solved, but the other two are not. Now you can't twist it to make only one solved, so what do you do here? The easiest way I found is actually really interesting. This might sound a little unintuitive, but treat this like the yellow cross. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but treat this like there is this is the horizontal line, right? This diagonal. Put a solved one in the front right, and the other solved one should be in the back left. Now, what you're gonna do? Rotate this face up, right, down, left, and then restore it. Now, you match everything up, and it will be solved. Final step, it's the same on the 3x3 with the corners. Do your sexy moves until it's solved.